I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks that will help you in editing your Canva crash course. First, we're going to change the cover. I'm going to go down here to photos on our left menu, and I'm going to type in leather. Just going to grab this first one, but remember, anything that has a crown is a pro feature. So if you are only a free user, there are plenty of options to choose from. You can go here and select free, so it will only show you free options. So let's just use this free option. Not something I would actually really choose, but for the sake of time, we're just going with it. Next, I'm going to change the colors of the tabs. We're going to select this pink block up here, and we're going to change it to this light brown. At the bottom, it is asking us if we want to change everything in our design that was this pink to this light brown. And we're going to say change all. Now all of the tabs are going to change. So let's change another one. We'll select this darker brown. And again, we're going to change all. Now the only thing that is not going to change colors are anything that has multiple text options or colors in the same text box. With these, this has a different color and two different texts in here. So these colors will not change. You'll have to go in and individually change these colors. Let's change the font. We're going to go up here where it says Tan Nimbus, and we're going to select a new font. Let's choose Sunborn. It's asking us if we want to change all, and we are going to change all. And you will see throughout your design, it is going to change all. Say you want to change out this font to something that is in your brand, you can select Open Sans, and then change all. Now, when you change a font, sometimes, as you can see here in this page, it is going to not look the same on the page. We are going to fix anything in our design, change up the sizing, anything that we need to change, we have to double check going through our design. Again, the colors of these will not change with the change all because there's two different colors here. What we can do is we can come through here. Let's choose green. And then let's change the size. And I'm going to just show you a little trick that I like to use. Say we want to change everything in our design to this color, all of the headings to this color and this size. We're going to go to More, where these three dots are in the top right. If this menu is not open, it will just be showing in your top menu, but we're going to go to these dots. We're going to select the paint roller. What you're going to do is you will go and tap and change the style for that. And each individual one, you'll just go back up, change the style, and you'll do that throughout your design. Now for this is a photo background. So you cannot change the color of this. So if you want to add a new photo, you can add a new photo. If you want to remove this completely, you can remove that completely and add shadows to these photos. So edit photo, add a shadow, glow. That is the shadow I have chosen throughout. And then same thing, you would have to individually glow each of these because they're all different photos because that is a grid. You can go through and do that. And again, see how our spacing is messed up here. So let's go into spacing. We can actually shrink the spacing between the letters here to fix this issue. And let's change it down. Let's do size 11. And then what we'll do again is we will copy the style throughout the entire page. And then it's going to fix any of those mistakes. See, we need to do that here. Let's go back up and select that style, then our paintbrush, and copy the style. Make sure when you're editing, you go through, especially when you are using a change all option, go through and make sure each individual piece is fixed. Say you don't like these photos that I chose. You can also change out these photos as well. Let's just choose some things from the trending option. We're going to drag over the photo and just replace. Simple as that. Now, if you decide to do that, you will need to replace the screenshot as well. I highly recommend doing that. And what I did when I screenshotted was I just made this bigger, screenshotted, and then cropped it out and added a shadow. Edit, shadows, glow. That is another way. And again, same with this frame. If you're not into the pink, you can go through and add in whatever you would like. Again, we want to adjust anything that needs to be adjusted. But these are just a few tips and tricks that are going to help you edit this faster. A lot of people don't know about the change all tools. Those are extremely helpful. And let me see if there's anything else I can think of. Make sure you pay attention as well if there's anything that is locked. So if you can't change something or you can't move something, it is likely because it is locked. So all we do is we click twice to unlock it. If you want to lock it again, you will lock it. But there you go. This video is for my Stan Store users. How we are going to add our ebook into our Stan Store is we're going to log in and go to My Store. If you're on a computer or a tablet, it will be located on the left side of your screen in your menu. If you are on a phone, it will be at the bottom of your screen. So we're going to scroll down and go to Add Product. Then we are going to choose the Sell a Digital Download option. And then we are going to fill all of this out. We will add our thumbnail. You will choose how you want it previewed in your Stan Store. I typically choose the call out option. You will put your heading here, so Canva Crash Course or whatever you decide to call it, your subheading, and then whatever you want your button to say. Then we'll go to the checkout page. You will add a header here. So it's going to show you a preview as you are typing or adding images. As you are editing this, it will show here on the right side of your screen. So you'll add photos, you can add a video, you could do a Canva website template and just add your photos here. But however you decide, this is essentially your listing your website for your Stan Store. You will set your price. If you want to do a discounted price, say originally your book is $47, but you are selling it for $27. This is how it will show in your Stan Store. And then you will go down and just change each option. These options are for the Stan Store Pro users only, so you do not need these. Then the most important part is uploading your file. So you're either going to upload it directly from your device, or if you're using a Google Drive link or the Canva website template link, you would just put it here, or your Canva ebook link. You would just put it here, and then you would type whatever the name is, Canva Crash Course, ebook, whatever you want to put there. Then you can see how your email looks to your customers. I believe you have to be a pro user to edit this, but this is what Stan sends out to your customers after they purchase from you. Then all you have to do is publish and you are good to go. If you are editing and you get busy, you can save it as a draft and come back for later. Let's save our design. In the top right, you will see an arrow pointing up. That is how we are going to save or download our designs. Now, saving your design in general, Canva will save each time you make any edit. Canva will save, and this is how you know that your save is up to date. If it has the cloud with the check mark in the middle, it is completely saved. You can go to home and it will be there in your designs. But when you're downloading or sharing, this is where you want to go. Downloading has many options. You have your JPEGs and your PNGs for images, your PDFs. Your PDF print you'll want to use for printables, planners, things like that. Your SVGs for web design. This is a pro feature, your MP4s and your GIFs. Canva will give you a suggested save or download depending on what is in your design, but ultimately you can choose how you would like to save your design. Now, to give someone a link, there are several ways that you can do that. A view only link allows someone to just view your project. So they can only view it by clicking the link. This link is a collaboration link. So with this one, someone can edit, can comment, can view, but this is a collaboration link. So they would be editing the original design inside of your Canva. Let's go to more. And here's your template link. If you were doing a PLR product like this product, you would give someone the template link. This allows them to edit and rebrand your project without actually editing the original project. You can have your brand templates, your view only links, your presentations, social media. There are many different ways to save. Saving with transparency, if you have a transparent background. And I don't use these options very often at all. I actually rarely use those options. The ones that I use the most are the template link and then the download options. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo and use photo grids and photo frames. First, let's upload a photo or a video. Here you can choose whether you want to upload files from your photo library. You can take a photo or a video, or you can choose files from your device, from your phone, from your computer, from your iPad. We're going to go to the photo library, and we are just going to select one of our photos or multiple photos that you want to upload, and then add. And then there they go. It is just as easy as that. And then you can see what videos you've uploaded, audios, and then all of your photos that you have uploaded will be here. Now let me show you how to use your photo frames and photo grids. Both of these are going to be in your elements section. You can also type in circle frame. And then it's going to pull up all of the frames that are circles. But if you just go to your elements and scroll down, you will see different frame options that you have. So all you do is click on a frame that you want. You will either go to your uploads or you'll go to photos. And this is Canva's library of photos. And then you can take one and drag and drop it. You can also tap on one and then slide it into the frame. And then you can double tap or double click to be able to move the photo and crop the photo the way that you want to crop it. Now let me show you how to use the grids. Same, they're located inside of the elements section. So when you select a grid, it is going to initially take up your entire screen, but you can adjust the size just like that. And then the same process, you can go to your uploads, you can go to the photo section, and then these are just the trending photos that are on Canva right now. And then you can double tap or double click to adjust each of the photos, just like that. And then again, you can resize, you can change the transparency of your grids, and then you can also adjust the spacing in between the photos as well. Tapping or clicking on spacing and moving the bar back and forth. And that's it.